Hey guys, I just found the M12 Milwaukee Ratchet with 3 batteries. The best thing about it is it's the same price as Home Depot. So we go over to Home Depot. See there, it's $2.99. Comes with two 2.0 batteries. The exact same kit, except over here on this site, you can get it with 3 batteries. And the third battery is going to be a 2.5 amp hour. It only comes with 2.0s. So same price, 1 extra battery. You got to get it. There'll be a link in the description. Make sure you click it and it'll take you directly to this page. So once you go to view your cart, it's going to pop up the option to add this battery to your cart. Now that's a $79 battery. We're going to add it to the cart. And now you have the 2 battery kit with the M12 Ratchet and a high output 2.5 battery, all for the same price. Make sure y'all check it out, and I'm going to keep looking for more deals. Thanks, and have a great day.